Buddy Randy, Cupcake Organic Farms, trying to be that outlaw, folks. Grow your own food, make everybody mad. Today I'm out here picking dill. We're around it the last week of March, so it's a little early, but I do plant my dill in the winter because goodness gracious, do we love the smell and just the look of dill. It's so good. But we did pick some beets earlier. You probably saw the other video. Might even chunk some dill in, man. Who knows? But here's what I'm gonna do because I want at least 2 or 3 cuts. So I'm gonna take my beautiful scissors and I'm just gonna come down here to their little root line and cut about 3 to 4 inches above their ground. There we go, look at that. Some weeds in there, but otherwise that is gorgeous dill. Sorry, my hands are all dirty. And I got it just before we started heading off to seed. And I tell you what, I got the world's greatest wife because she got me these awesome garden baskets, and whoop, that's where the dill's going. So folks, that's all I wanted to show you today. Is it's time to pick some dill. There's some yellow in there. Stay with us, folks. Cupcake Organic Farms, Texas City. Like I said, be an outlaw and grow your own garden. Make everybody mad when you're fresh producing all over your property. It beats the heck out of spending all of our hard-earned money down at the grocery store. You guys enjoy.